Clinic Assist provides case management, tools for individual assessment planning, tracking, and care coordination. Before you can create cases, you must first ensure you are familiar with appointment creation and that you have created relevant products. If you need a reminder, please review the associated videos or help text accordingly. This tutorial focuses on basic case creation, so let's begin. Start by selecting the Cases function from the left-hand toolbar and click Add a new case. Enter an appropriate case title for easy identification and select the relevant patient. Add a target date for an estimated completion. The case owner will by default be yourself, but you can assign this to any registered user. Enter any relevant supporting information about the case. Upon saving, you will be assigned a unique and uneditable case reference and the option to set automatic reminders for review daily, weekly, or monthly. You will see automatic reminders appear in your case task list, which you can edit individually if you wish. Use the Case File tab to review or upload additional supporting documentation, a patient support plan for example. Create appointments for the required consultations using the Add Appointments button. You will notice that your case title and reference are automatically applied. The product you select might simply be a consultation, or you might have created a customized Q&A sheet. Once created, you will see the appointment listed in the File and Patient file accordingly, which you can select for quick access. Follow through appointments in the usual way, adding notes and uploading supporting material, and mark the case as in progress, and upon completion of a case, simply mark it as closed. Clinic Assist from Data Partnerships.